The first winter storm of the season forced birds to dig through snow to get at the peanuts in the deck feeder. This footage directly follows that from my Snow Sphinx video, so be sure to check that out if you haven't already. There's a link in the description. Feisty blue jays often swarm my peanut feeders, and snow is no impediment to them. I do want to call attention to this one individual. Amaranth is the new name I'm using for the jay with the drooping left wing. She, or he, I really don't know, is at least a year and a half old. There's a link in the description to my video about her from a year ago. Here's a charming and chirpy female cardinal. Here a jay collects a second peanut. The lady cardinal is back. I think this is the lady cardinal's mate. I'm occasionally asked why I use background music instead of just letting the sounds of nature be the soundtrack. Kids in construction, folks. I'm more of an urban Morrigan, really. Whoa. This juvenile crow starts working on brunch while the cardinals and jays retreat to the trees. Freeze frame. Get it? Take a close look at the inside of this crow's mouth. See the little hint of pink coloration? That's how you can tell that this is a juvenile. Nine minutes later, the crow is still feasting. You may have noticed that the camera info strip says 2024. That's wrong. This was recorded at the beginning of 2025. I just set the year to 2024 out of habit. It occurs to me that humans and birds are both shoveling snow right now, but in very different ways and for very different reasons. At last, the crow flies off. And immediately, you'll see some house sparrows hopping through here. They can't open peanut shells, but they like to scavenge bits left behind by birds who can. Speaking of house sparrows, good, Cardinal. This cardinal couple is never far apart. The blue jay excavations begin again, in a rather disorganized fashion. Watch the lady cardinal in the tree. Little bit of lady cardinal drama right there. But where did that other lady cardinal go? I know this image isn't in focus, but I just love how this gorgeous bird fills up the whole frame. The battle of the blue jays rages on. It's hard to tell whether they're running low on peanuts here because of the snow cover, but they probably are. Aww. Okay, y'all, watch this. I saved the best for last. So the juvenile on the left just fought an adult for that peanut. Let's see that in slow-mo. Okay, the kid grabs the peanut, sets it down on his side. The adult makes a play for it. The kid pecks, then they wrestle, and the kid grabs it back. The adult soon finds a peanut of his own anyway. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. For more snowbirds, please consider subscribing. As always, everyone, thank you for birdwatching.